Hi, I am Monil. Currently, I am studying in BUET at EEE department. Now, I am going to present an electronic piano that I made using 555 time RAC, capacitors, resistors, and definitely some push buttons to play the piano. Now, let's take a look at the schematic diagram of the 555 time RAC. Square wave to show how to configure a 555 time RAC. I have kept 555 time RAC in S-double mode for generating square pulse. Here R1 is the resistance between discharge pin and BCC, and R2 is connected between trigger pin number 2 and discharge pin number 7. The capacitance C is connected between trigger pin number 2 and ground, and here a pin number 3 is the output that is connected to an LED through a resistor to save the LED. Generated square wave is calculated from this formula, and the frequency of the square pulse will be calculated from this formula. Here T high means time for high pulse of the square wave, and T low means time for low pulse of the generated square pulse. These are calculated from this formula. Here I have selected R1 is equal to 10 kilo ohm and R2 10 kilo ohm and C 47 microfarad to generate an 1 Hz oscillator. Now let's simulate it. We see that LED is blinking. Now let's take a look of the hardware part. This is the 555 time RAC. This is R1, whose value is 100 ohm. This is capacitor of 1 microfarad. When I push this button, then the equivalent resistance of these two resistors will be the value of R2. For different value of R2, square pulse of different frequencies will be generated. The output pin of IC is connected through a 10 microfarad capacitor to the jack of the speaker. The capacitor is used to block DC signals to reduce noise. When I push this button, square pulse of around 32 Hz will be generated. When this electrical signal is connected to the speaker produces of sound of same frequency. This is for 32 Hz, this is for 128 Hz, this is for 256 Hz, which is fundamental tone C. This is fundamental tone C of 288 Hz. This is fundamental tone E of 320 Hz. This is fundamental tone E 341 Hz. This is fundamental tone G 384 Hz. This is fundamental tone A 427 Hz. This is fundamental tone B 480 Hz. This is fundamental tone C. This is 512 Hz. This is 1024 Hz. This is 2048 Hz. This is 4096 Hz. Now I am going to play Sa Re Ga Ma. Now a friend of mine will play Amar Sonar Bangla, that's our national anthem, through this piano. Ready. As I am in a shortage of electrical and mechanical elements, I could not generate all of the frequency that a piano needs. Thanks for watching.